Okay, so what is an object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming, it's a paradigm, it's a way of thinking, it's how you can think about objects and how you can create classes and interfaces and methods and implement all that in order to achieve some business requirements. And we do that, for example, you're now sitting in front of a computer most probably or laptop, and you need to visualize all this kind of stuff and convert it into code through making sure that you have in front of you is a keyboard. So you're gonna be having a keyboard class. You have some red dragon, so you might be creating a red dragon keyboard object. So basically, this is a way of thinking about stuff. And we usually do that through four main principles, which is encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism. And we're gonna be discussing even more about all of them. But if I'm gonna just give you a brief about it, it's a way of thinking, it's a paradigm, it's how you design things within your scope in order to achieve business requirements.